How I made $1,500 in less than 24 hours. And this is XB Marketing with another video. And if you're watching my video for the first time, I make videos about how to make money online, especially with CPA marketing, CPA grip, hard work media, OG ads, and all that. So if you want to learn how I do this, then stick to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how I do everything step by step. And as you can see in my CPA grip account, right, you can see I've made $618 just today. And if you go to my hard work media account, you can see I've made $493.15 today. And if you go to my OG ads account, you can see I've made $393 just today. So how to set up this whole process, then stick to the end of this video and you're going to learn how I do everything. Now, the first thing we are going to be doing in this method, we are going to be using Instagram and Imgur for this method. And the reason why we are going to be using Imgur is because if you go to similarweb.com, right, and if you type in Imgur in the search, you can see Imgur is the 62nd most popular website in the United States. As you can see, these are first world countries. As you can see, the second most popular website that uses Imgur is Japan, UK, Canada, Germany. So these are the countries that usually pay out a lot more in CPA marketing. And you don't need to sell any product. All they need to do is submit their email and that's it. You make money. All right. And this can be up to $2 per email you collect. And I'm going to show you how to even double and triple your earnings with this method. All right, so the first thing we want to do, we want to go to Instagram. Now, so when we go to Instagram, if you go back to my CPA grip account real quick, you can see we have Drake in the background, right? And we have this other person here, and I'm going to show you why you are seeing this. So now what we are going to be doing is we are going to be taking celebrities' pictures, and then we are going to be locking it. But here is the kicker. The difference is we are going to be asking a question. So now if you go to Instagram real quick and we type in, let's use Travis Scott for this example, right? If you type in Travis Scott and then we scroll down, we want to look for any of his images, right? As we all know, Travis Scott is a very popular artist, right? So you want to do this for, there are a lot of celebrities you can do this method for. You can just simply come to Google and type in, you know, most popular celebrities. You can use most popular celebrity, you can use most popular musicians, you can use most popular artists, right? You can use most popular footballers. You know, it's unlimited what you can do with this method, right? So this is how you can get a lot of ideas. So now, as I was saying, we're going to look for Travis Scott. So if you search Travis Scott, you can see this is his original account. As you can see, it has 43 million followers. So we're going to scroll down and look for a picture that stands out. And I'm going to show you an example of what I mean. So as you can see, this is going to be a good picture to use because this is a picture of Travis Scott and his mom. But we are not going to be using that. So let me show you another one that's going to be perfect for this example. So if we scroll down, so this is the picture that is going to be perfect because this, if you open this picture, as you can see, this is Travis Scott when he was a kid. So what we are going to do now is just stick with me. I know this might sound confusing, but you'll get the process in a short while. So now what you want to do now is you want to copy this link and then you want to go to downloadgram.org. So once you're in downloadgram.org, then you want to paste in the Instagram image and then you want to click on download. So once you have that downloaded, you want to go to another website called jspaint.app. So once you're in jspaint.app, then you want to grab the image you just downloaded and you want to drop it in. If you don't want to drop it in, you can also click on file and click on open to choose wherever the image is saved, as you can see here. So we already have the image imported. So the next thing we are going to be doing is we want to click on this rectangular icon here, and then you want to click on this second one, and then you want to blur out Travis Scott's face a little bit, or whoever you are using, right? You want to blur, you don't want to completely blur it, so just a little, like this is good enough. And then you save the image. So you save the image. Yeah, this is the image right here. So the next step now is you want to create an Imgur account. All you just need to do is go to imgur.com. If you don't have an account already, you can just click on sign up and you'll get an account right away. So once you're in your account, you'll see this new post. You click on the new post, and then you want to go back and drag in the Travis Scott image or whoever image you're using. You want to drop the image right there. So once you have the image dropped right there, then you want to hold on. You don't want to do anything else. Now we'll head back to CPA grip. You want to create a new locker, click on agree and click on continue. And then you want to type in the name of the artist. And you want to come down here to where it says template. And you want to choose this template that says human verification. Make sure you use this exact template. And then you come back to style, which is CSS, custom CSS, as you can see here. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to go back to Imgur. You remember we uploaded the image a while ago. So you want to right click on this image and copy the image address. And then you go back to your CPA grip. And then you want to make sure you highlight from all what is inside these brackets. And then you want to paste the link there. And then you want to click on refresh. So as you can see, we have Travis Scott image in the background. You're going to copy the original Instagram image, and then you want to paste it in here. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to show them as many offers as possible, 5 to 6 offers. And then you want to come to advanced and you want to select 3 leads. If you like, you don't really need to do this if you don't want to. If you just want them to complete 1 offer and then unlock the page, you can just leave it at 1 lead required. But if you set it at 2 leads, it means they have to complete 2 surveys or 2 offers to unlock the page. So this depends on what you want. So this is what I mean by you want to double or triple how much you make. So if you want to make as much as you can leave it at 3 offers, which is the maximum. So if you don't want to, you can always leave it at 1. So that's what you need to do to set up your content locker. So once you have your content locker ready, once everything is ready and everything looks good, you want to save it. Click on save, and then you want to type in, can you guess who this is? The question mark. Then you go back to your CPA grip, and then you click on get link and click on copy link. And then you want to come down here to add description. Then you want to type in to find out who this is. Click here, and then you paste your link, and then you post it. So once you have that posted, that's all you need to do to start driving traffic. So that's literally all you need to do for as many celebrities as you can. So that's all you need to do for this method. It's a very, very simple method, and it works like crazy. It works like crazy if you're going to put in the work. All you just need to do is get as many content lockers set up for as many celebrities as you can, and then send them to Imgur, and then you can start driving traffic to that content locker, and you will start making money. So if you find any value in this video at all, then make sure you leave a like on the video, because that motivates me to keep bringing out awesome content like this. And if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, then make sure to look around the channel. You'll find other content that might interest you. And having said that, I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.